My name is Jeffrey Coleman. I'm an associate professor of Iberian Studies in the Department of Spanish and Portuguese here at Northwestern, and my main project looks at representations of Blackness in contemporary Spanish culture. I think particularly for academics, hobbies are really important to step away from your work and find that there are things that can inform your work in ways that you don't expect. It's really important to have things outside of your day job to do that you enjoy and that, bring you joy in a way that's different from your work. One of the greatest things about curling for me is that it's essentially chess on ice. There's one person on the team who's known as the skip, who is the captain, who stands at the far end and directs the teammates about where they need to throw. And that person has to come up with all of the plays, right? If you think about a football field, who's drawing the X's and the lines and all of that, the skip has to do that in their head. I love that piece. One of the things that is really interesting about curling and teaching is having to be adaptable to different situations. There are times in the classroom where things just go completely out of the way you wanted them to go, right? Like you come up with this amazing lesson plan and none of the students get it. I think it's similar on curling where you have a plan in your head, but sometimes you or your teammates are just not throwing the stones where they need to go and you have to adjust, or you're up against a really good team that is just able to track your every move, and so you really have to stay on your toes. I think that's one of the things about both curling and teaching that is really fun.